I did some research and I instantly called Trina and said, you know what, I think these are two really incredible ingredients that we need to add to it. So let's see what happens. If you could smell this, oh my gosh, it's heavenly.
That's liquid gold. Serious.
Smells incredible.
When you're making products yourself, it's not as important to be exact. You can add a little extra of this or a little less of that. The essential oils, you want to be a little bit closer, but there's still a lot of give. My biggest curiosity when I'm doing this is what is it going to smell like? And every time it's a little different, especially if you add a little extra or a little less of a certain essential oils.
The gift of health, natural beauty. I love that. Who wouldn't want that every day, every morning, every night? When a product says it's waterless, it's really not, because if the ingredient is water soluble, you have to mix it with water.
When you're pouring into dark containers, this is a trick.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to see when it's full. And you don't want to waste any of it, trust me.
So get your measuring cup.
There's so many products on the market right now that are causing hormonal imbalances, and you're not going to get that with something like this. This is going to actually help your hormones.